G'day humans, Chris Stead here. So, Indo, smell the incense. So yeah, day one recap.
Hi, it's Charlie here. I'm really excited about Bali and the plane trip. I haven't been on a plane in like 3 years, so it's going to be a new experience. I also can't wait for water bomb. It's going to be really fun.
Hi, I'm Patrick. I'm really excited to go on the plane, and I'm scared to go on the plane because I haven't been on a plane basically my whole life. And I'm really excited about Bali because we can go fishing and there's water bomb. And we're going to Southeast Asia. Yee! Go Charlie. I'm in Jazz.
I'm excited about when we get off the plane and don't have to sit on it anymore. And just Indonesia.
Okay, Mom, it's your turn.
I'll do it later.
Okay, Dad, it's your turn.
Okay, I'm looking forward to the adventure of my kids are going to have. So we flew in, got into here about 10 o'clock or 9 o'clock actually. Went on Jetstar. So as you can imagine, super stressful about whether or not it would actually turn up and be on time and all the things that you hear. But I got to say, it was seamless. Easy, no queue at the airport, straight on, enough spare seats that we weren't cramped. I was on a Dreamliner, I think, which is one of the newer planes. It's really good. Entertainment unit in the back of the seats. Probably an extra ½ inch on the leg space. I mean, I'll do a proper review of it, but yeah, I was actually pretty happy. I went with the cheap option because I don't have much money, and yeah, it turned out really well. So anyway, got here. We're staying at the Bali Dynasty, so I'm going to do a review on that as well in Kuta. And the guy was there, picked us up, took us to our place, got into a room, a really nice room. So yeah, it was pretty good. Woke up the next day and did the buffet breakfast and thought, okay, went by the pool and sat there and just went, what, bugger, I'm not doing anything today. I'm just going to sit here, had a beer by 10:30 type thing, just chilling out. And I just couldn't quite unwind, and I just had too much in my head still at home, and emails still coming through and phone calls still coming through, and just kind of like hard to detach. And then the day just went pear-shaped from there. I've got a GoPro 12 with a max lens 2.0 model, and that's really important for me because doing all this travel content, and it rolled off the little sun lounge, so it fell like ½ a foot maybe, and just destroyed the lens. So what followed next was about 4 hours of trying to find a replacement lens, and we set off on a walk because apparently the mall down the road had one, but it didn't, and then we kept walking, and we ended up walking about 4 k's through really hot Balinese weather. The kids really struggled with it, and we didn't get what we needed. So it's just this thing happens when you're traveling, right? It just happens. But the frustration for me is that all that underlying stress and everything that I've left Australia to get away from was still just under the surface. And I don't think that's weird. I mean, it's only been 24 hours. But straight away, just all the kind of stuff I was trying to get away from was just straight back there. I was just frustrated, angry, like not dealing with it well, just kind of attacking my wife, short with the kids, just cursing my bad luck, like just I've got a spare lens sitting at home back in Sydney. And I couldn't find it before I left, so I didn't bring it. And 2 hours into a 60-day adventure, it smashes ridiculously. I've seen these things get hit by golf clubs and not get damaged. It just rolls the smallest amount and just scratched straight over the center of the lens. It's unusable. So and then we went to like 4 different shops and 5 different shops, and no one's even, half the people didn't understand what I was saying, like GoPro. I was like, oh God. Anyway, so I think I found a place that I can go to. I was going to have to catch a cab out there or something, about 30 minutes away, that seems to have one. So I'll go see if I can fix this now. But yeah, so anyway, just interesting start about healing trauma through travel. I guess it's not instant. It's all still there, which isn't a surprise, but yeah, I guess it's something to know if you're going to embark on something like I'm doing. It's going to take a bit more than just being in the sun and the water and the pool. So for a little while there yesterday, I was like, I'm really enjoying this. I'm lying back, I'm relaxed. Kids are having a great time, and then it all went pear-shaped, and I'm still kind of too on edge to just deal with it in a mature and easy way. Yeah. Anyway, fingers crossed that day 2 goes better.
This your car?